Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're gonna be working on these two projects.
And the purpose of this video is to show you how you can guys work from home like we do, and you can fire your boss today.
I like the sound of that. Okay, for this type of business, you're gonna need a computer or a laptop. We got the Asus software. We got CorelDRAW X6. You can use other versions. Just make sure that they're compatible with your computer. If you have a Mac, just make sure that it is the right software. And we got a vinyl cutter, Graphics CE 6060, 24-inch, cost around $1,800. If you wanna make bigger signs, you're gonna definitely need something bigger than 12 inches. Again, the type of vinyl we use for t-shirts, to heat press t-shirts, we use the Caesar Easy Weed, and it's basically the same way you cut the vinyl with the stickers, except you just gotta mirror the images. The adhesive is on this side, but it only gets activated with the heat press. You can pretty much just touch it and it won't stick to your hands, except the transferring tape, which is already included with the vinyl. And this project is gonna have a whole bunch of colors. It's gonna have 4 different layers. It's gonna give me some hell to work on it, but I already know what's coming. Okay guys, now we're in our office where we have the heat press, and this is the type of t-shirts that I'm gonna be heat pressing. And let me just get really close to the camera so you can see the brand. We use Gildan, we use dry blend, 50% cotton, 50 polyester, and you can get them from All Day t-shirts, or you can also get them from Jiffy shirts, apparel and bags. All the links will be in the description as well. Okay, this is gonna be our first layer, and again, you have to pre-press it for a few seconds, and I'm gonna use a measuring tape just to make sure that we get it about the right place where we want that logo. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it about right here, like the center of the logo. It's gonna be about where the neck and the shoulder meet, about there. And I'm gonna do about 7.5 inches, something like that. Right now it's about 8, but I'm gonna just move it up a little bit. Okay, I think we got it right there, and I'm just gonna give it a few seconds. Don't forget that whenever you give it a few seconds, the first layer is gonna shrink a little bit, and don't forget to use the Teflon sheet for it. See, perfect. All right, just a few seconds, and then I can add the next color, which will be the green color. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just give it a few seconds. Perfect. Good. Oh, and also you will need a pillow. Make sure that you get a pillow. And another layer. And this is the reason we don't really sell t-shirts that much. We try to stay away from them because, as you can see, it's a lot of work. I mean, because this one has a lot of colors. I gave it only 2 seconds and stayed on it. And now I can do the full cycle. Again, we got the temperature at 316, and we're gonna give it 16 seconds. All right, perfect. And let me just get a little up close. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. I'm just gonna pre-press it for a few seconds and then do my first layer. But I'm not gonna record the whole process because it's gonna be a long time. All right guys, this is the end result, and I gotta make 12 t-shirts, so we'll see you guys in a second. All right guys, I'm outside, it's a little windy, and when we say working from home, this is what we actually mean. We actually mean working from home. And let me go ahead and show you what we got in the garage. Okay, what I have right here, I got some yard signs, and they're 24 by 18. So you can make yard signs. You can also make banners, and we got a huge roll. It's banner material. It's about 3 feet by, I think it's like 50 feet or something, but we get it in a huge roll and we just cut it accordingly. And also we got a cap press. You can also make caps. Okay, I'm gonna show you right here. We have 2 different kinds of magnets. We get the ones without any background, just completely plain, and here we got the ones that have a white background. I recommend that you get both. And whenever you're working with the brand new roll, if you get it through US Cutter and you get the biggest ones they have, be careful because they're freaking heavy.
Don't break your back.
Yeah. Okay, and the vinyls we use for the stickers, we got the Oracle 651. Tape we use is the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75.
And you're also gonna need coffee.
Oh, lots of coffee for sure. And I'm also gonna show you a few tools that you're gonna need that you should definitely consider getting. Oh, and I forgot to mention that you will also need these right here, the cutting mats and the safety ruler. Okay, I'm about to start cutting the vinyl, but before I get to that, I wanted to give you a little tip. You should consider getting this little booklet if you don't have it yet. This is where you will see all different colors they have available for the sticker vinyl, the Oracle 651. And the reason I recommend you get this is that sometimes the colors, if you look at them through the website, is not accurate. And I believe the little squares that you see right here, I think they're actually part of the sticker. So I think you should consider getting this little book to show to your customers or before you order any vinyl, just to get an idea of how dark or light the vinyls are. Okay, we got our vinyls. We're gonna go ahead and start weeding out. We put some weeding boxes. Yeah. We just gotta be careful with our registration marks. Okay, what we're about to do, we're just gonna add the transfer tape on top of the vinyl. Because remember, we just gotta transfer the vinyl to the magnet. And again, we use the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75, and you can get it from US Cutter. We haven't been able to find it through Amazon. We're gonna use Rapid Tag, and the reason we use this is to be able to reposition the different layers. You'll see how we're gonna use it in just a minute. Okay, we're gonna transfer the vinyl to the magnets and just clean it up a little bit because it had some dust. We use the Rapid Tag for that, and we're gonna use the Rapid Tag to apply the vinyl so we don't end up with bubbles. And all we gotta do is just take the measurements.
Go to 75. That's the same.
All right, well, we gotta do just use the tape on top of the sticker to hold it against the magnet, just like that. And I'm gonna use the Rapid Tag, and we got our registration marks for the second color. And the good thing about this tape, the Art Tape Clear Choice AT75, is that it is best for wet application. All right, just like that. We can try to remove the transfer tape, and if we see any part of the decal coming off, we can just wait. We use the gloss finish for the magnet as well as for the Oracle 651 vinyl. And we're gonna use the same solution, the Rapid Tag, so we can reposition it. Good?
Yep.
All right. And we can do one side first.
Okay. You go first.
Okay. Okay, just like that. See how easy it is to use the rapid tag? It makes it so easy to apply the vinyl. And let me get close. You can see the shiny material, and it doesn't have any bubbles. I mean, if it does, it'll be just a few of them, but you can see the difference when you use water versus when you use the rapid tag. Better results with the rapid tag, obviously. And now we can remove the registration marker. This is how you remove them. You're gonna need a weeder, and you can just pick one side and peel it off. Try to do it as soon as you can, because the longer it stays on the magnet, the harder it will be for it to come off. I got a few materials here that I wanted to show you, or a few tools that you should consider getting. We got goof off adhesive remover. When you remove all stickers, there's some adhesive left over, and this will get rid of that. Up here we got the blue tape, and this is the best tape that you can use when you're working on nicer cars, or when the paint is coming off. Make sure you use this one. This one's a lot softer on the paint. You can also use the cutting knife, and the reason we use this is so we don't damage the paint of the car, because the blade is covered in plastic and it's so easy to use. You can also use magnets. What we do, we just place them on the sides of the stickers and just reposition it whenever you are taking the measurements, and that way you don't use tape, because sometimes it's hard to take it off. But anyways, you should definitely consider getting this. And what I have right here is a tool bag where you can put all the tools, and it's really handy. You should consider getting it. All right, guys, we finally got done with the whole project. We made magnets and we heat pressed some t-shirts. You can also make car magnets. You can make yard signs, banners, all kinds of stuff, even business cards if you outsource them. That's why you should consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and give us a like and share our videos too. And get your materials through our affiliate links. We're gonna appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much.
And fire your boss today.
Yep, I like those words.